The history of firearms dates back to the 9th century when Chinese inventors created gunpowder. By the 13th century, the first crude firearms, such as hand cannons, emerged in China and spread to the Middle East and Europe. In the 15th and 16th centuries, matchlock and wheel-lock mechanisms improved firearm reliability. The 17th century saw the invention of the flintlock, widely used in warfare. The 19th century brought percussion caps, revolvers, and breech-loading rifles, revolutionizing firepower. The 20th century introduced semi-automatic and automatic weapons, shaping modern warfare and self-defense. Today, firearms continue to evolve with advanced materials and technology.